Hey guys, so driving the Scrambler, we're in D, so ready to rock. Wanted to work our way through driving this thing. So it does have a little bit of noise when turning. We actually upgraded the steering box because of that, and it's much better. It's got a PSC steering box we installed. All the gauges track perfectly. The braking has been upgraded. That's great. I'm gonna get it on the road here and really get it to speed. It tracks fantastic. I've taken it 70 down the interstate without a problem. Shifts perfect. You would think you'd get some roll, but because of that coil suspension from Teraflex, no problem. And it is a blast to drive. The only kind of surprises I've had out of this is how easy it is to crack your tires off the pavement. It just doesn't take anything to do it. It's so much power for a car this size. Yep, just barely touched it. So that's about 50, and I'm running straight. There's not a lot of bounce. It's actually not an absurd amount of noise either. It's got a good set of tires on here. Just a really fun, solid driver that was really well thought out, bringing all the fun of the old stuff with all the convenience of a new vehicle and the comfort.